There's something about trains that people like. In most cities, you don't even have to drive. You can get public transportation to the station with your suitcase and away you go. This project was kind of a dream project, mainly because when it was built in 1950, there were 100 trains a day coming through Toledo, passenger trains. Now we have 100 trains, but all but 4 are freight. It was one of the last, if not the last, major train station constructed in the country, and before the collapse and the demise of rail transportation. It's a huge building. It's a mammoth building, and I can remember I was quite young when it was constructed. I mean, if you can imagine this space, all these spaces with hundreds of people all day long. It was really magnificent. Toledo Lucas County Plan Commissions are very aware of what a building like this facility can be to a neighborhood. I think we're blessed to have this down here. We try to retain as much as possible. We're able to salvage and reuse. That's a major part of the facade, is the glass block. And this was just a testimony to Libby Glass. Well, the mural was in really bad shape. Probably the reason we maintained the vitrolite and everything was that Toledo glass center of the world. That's really kind of neat too. You know, the tendency always is to look to the outsider for expertise. We want to change that with the design center. And local architects and planners need to be included in all these projects. We never say what's next. We dedicate a building that's like, whew, boy, that's an accomplishment and everything. Part of any dedication ceremony should be, okay, if we got this one done, wait till you see what we're going to do with this next project. I'm not supposed to look at the camera.
Oh, please
it's right
look
there.
at the girls.